Mother tongue learning involves using a child's first language as a strong foundation for cognitive development, critical thinking, and overall academic success, while also preserving cultural identity. It acts like a bridge that helps children understand concepts, boosting their confidence and self-esteem. When children learn in their own language, they feel empowered to express themselves freely and engage more deeply with the curriculum. As a part of the NEP implementation, the government of Odisha has introduced the Sishu Vatika class in all elementary schools of the state, aiming to give a strong foundation to the education system. The Sishu Vatika initiative focuses on nurturing young learners' curiosity and linguistic abilities from the very beginning. No doubt, the learners in the Sishu Vatika class need powerful guidance and significant input for their future journey. To accomplish this, DIET Khordha has developed learning teaching materials for foundational grades. 24 Odia magic letter cards were created to help students with foundational skill development like letter recognition, understanding letter sound patterns and phonics. In sync with the spoken language, these cards are designed with vibrant, locally relevant images that resonate with the children's everyday experiences. The inspiration dawned from the resourceful teachers of Khordha district. DIET translated those ideas into action by developing the magic letter cards. Local words, familiar pictures, and meaningful sentences were crafted based on sound language pedagogy to enable teachers to adopt those and guide children to work with heart and soul.
DIET Khordha has thought to develop teaching learning materials for the children for the Sishu Vatika class and the foundational grades. Basically, we developed this magic card for word letter recognition, vocabulary, and decoding of different words, so that the Sishu Vatika and grade 1 class students can be benefited. We borrow this idea from the teachers of our Khordha district who are using such type of cards, and DIET just developed and modified those cards for the children. Basically, these cards will help the CRCCs and the teachers to prepare such type of cards for a massive use in their classrooms.
DIET has also developed a comprehensive guideline on the use of those cards. All the materials are supplied to all schools of Khordha district. The CRCCs were oriented by DIET to use these cards in virtual mode. Subsequently, they trained FLN teachers from their clusters under direct monitoring and mentoring from DIET.
यही अक्षर कार्ड गुड़िक जो व्यवहार करागला आम जापर जे पिलामानकु अति सहज है विभिन्न प्रकार चित्र चिन्हवाई एवं शब्द कहवाई जहाद्वारा कि पिलामानकर शब्द भंडार अभिवृद्धि से कथन दक्षतार विकास है एवं सामग्रिक विकास क्षेत्र में यही अक्षर मैजिक कार्ड गुड़िक निश्चित भाव में आमको बहुत सहयोग करें वर्तमान उपलब्धि करिपारिछु।
The initiative emphasizes positive outcomes like completion, overcoming challenges, or significant positive change and growth because of the joint planning, monitoring of the District Education Office and DIET. During implementation, it is observed that the magic letter cards provide cognitive and engagement benefits by supporting multisensory learning and promoting retrieval of information for memory. The cards also support developing advanced language skills among foundational grade learners like reading and writing readiness, vocabulary and confidence building in oral language communication.
यही मैजिक कार्ड गुडी किपरि आमे व्यवहार करिवु पाठदान रे ताहाको हमको सीआरसी सर वर्चुअल मीटिंग माध्यम रे सिखाइथिले जहा हमरो शिक्षादान रे बहुत मात्रा रे लाभदायक होउची।
गुरुमा अक्षर मैजिक कार्ड देखाई प्रतिदिन पाठ पढ़ाती ए कार्ड रो गोटी अक्षर को नहीं अनेक शब्द जानि पारलु।
Teachers report that students exhibit higher enthusiasm and faster literacy progress after using the cards regularly.
ए कार्ड द्वारा आमको कम परिश्रम रे आमे पिला माननकु गोटे गोटे अक्षर रे अनेक शब्द सिखाई पारुछु जहा कि आम मानक पई बहुत दरकार थिला और यह बहुत उपादेय अटे।
चित्र देखिके अनेक गुड़िया शब्द मन रखि पारुछु और अक्षर गुड़िक शिखि पारुछु।
It is apparent that DIET as a resource center must bear a flexible and growth mindset approach to learning from the teachers and customize the use of these cards for wider and large-scale implementation throughout the district to bring a positive change.
विभिन्न स्कूल को आमे 24 टी मैजिक कार्ड पठाइछु एवं तार संबंधित माने पिला टीचर्स माने केमती सेटा को यूज करि परिबे सेति पई मध्ये गोटे गाइडलाइंस डाइट तरफ प्रस्तुत करा जाय कि विद्यालय मानकु पठा जायछि। एही मैजिक कार्ड द्वारा पिला माने अक्षर गुडी को चिन्हिबा सहित विभिन्न शब्द को पढ़िबा एवं लिखिबा भली कार्य को सुचारू रूपे करि पारुचंती। हमर समग्र शिक्षा ऑफिस तरफरु मध्ये एहा प्रत्येक विद्यालय को पहुंचेबा पई की चेष्टा करा जायछि एवं प्रत्येक अधिकारी द्वारा तार सठिक व्यवहार निमंते एवं पिलांकर शिक्षण लाभ को अनुध्यान करिबा पई की समस्त कार्य कर्मचारी मानको मध्ये अवगत करा जायछि। एही भली कार्य को साफल्यमंडित करिबा पई मु डाइट तथा डीपीसी ऑफिस रा समस्त अधिकारी मानको धन्यवाद जनाउछि।
The use of Odia magic letter cards has confirmed this. The ultimate goal is to scale this innovative method to every elementary schools in Odisha, transforming early education statewide.